Hey everybody, it's Gary here live in the AI Wellness Universe. Today we are taking a look at the Personal Weight Loss Plan app. And this is pretty cool. If you're looking to start a weight loss plan or if you have clients that are looking to lose weight, this app is pretty awesome. As you can see here, it's the Transform Your Life with our personalized holistic weight loss strategy plan. Discover a holistic approach to well-being and healthy weight with our AI-supported wellness app, designed to support our physical, mental, social, spiritual, and emotional health. This app combines personalized insights with cutting-edge AI technology. Ooh, sounds pretty good. I like it. What you will receive: your personalized health strategy plan. Receive a customized breakdown of recommended strategies for improved physical fitness, exercise, diet, and eating habits, mental fitness, mindfulness, and other helpful strategies tailored to your unique needs. Progress tracking, monitor your improvements with detailed analytics and motivational feedback. Expert guidance, access advice from our holistic health professionals, wellness coaches, and AI-driven recommendations. How to use: set up your profile, answer a few questions to personalize your experience. Daily check-ins, log your meals, workouts, and moods for real-time feedback. Follow your plan, receive daily tips and reminders to keep you on track. Join today and start your journey towards a healthier, happier you. All right, so it breaks it down pretty nicely there. And as you can see, it gets pretty detailed. You get your name, email, WhatsApp, current age, gender. I mean, it really breaks it down, gets everything you need right here. List your current medications. Of course, you want to speak to your primary care physician before you start any new programs. And food allergies, current exercise habits, profession, preferred contact method, additional comments. So see, it gets pretty detailed there, and it'll create a nice plan for you or your clients, and it's fairly easy. So check it out today, and I hope this helps. Till next time, take care. Thank you so much.